welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're watching me for the very first time, do not forget to like, share, subscribe this channel and to press the bell icon. And today, obviously, I'm feeling like so pretty in this makeup look, in this beautiful outfit. I'm going to show you how I achieve this beautiful festive kind of makeup look over here, which is also a little bit like a peachy glow, as you can already see, but a little bit of like, you know, like a smokiness to it. This कोल काजल look usually that you see ना, ये Indian style of makeup है and ये बहुत ज़्यादा pretty लगता है. Also, I will give you some of my ethnic wear pics or how you can style your ethnic wear. I have 2-3 items that I have got for you guys in this video as well. So पहले makeup video देख लो. And if you guys did not know, there are like huge sales going on Amazon right now. Even 1-2 महीने तो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा sale रहने वाली है. You can get up to 50% off on fashion and beauty products. So hurry up and just put stuff in your cart and just start getting your purchases going on. It's going to start with the base itself. So I'll just quickly tell you what I've used for my base. I've done my base so many times on this channel, so you can watch my other makeup videos. So today I went for the Pond's lightweight moisturizer, and sometimes I also go for the Kama Ayurveda's Iladi moisturizer. That is also like really lightweight and works really well under makeup. And then I went for the sunscreen, which is the hyaluronic acid sunscreen, 1% hyaluronic acid. This is the one from Dermaco. Super duper lightweight, मतलब white cast का तो कोई question ही नहीं है, इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा इसका formulation है. And then we went for the foundation, which was this foundation from Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation, which I love, and specifically ethnic looks के लिए तो I always go for this one because this gives me such a dewy finish of the foundation. So now that we are done with the base, I will just quickly show you the eye look, which is the most important part today. And for that, we need to make the base of the eyes like really properly. I've already applied a little bit of foundation that you can see, but still like it's not a very good coverage. I'm going to use the NY Bay concealer over here. तो मैं इसको फटाफट लगा लूँगी, and using a damn beauty blender over here, we're just going to blend it like this. I have my mirror right in front over here, so if sometimes I look the other way, you can understand that it is just my mirror that I'm looking at. So I'm going to use the OG Wet n Wild palette over here. This Wet n Wild palette is something that I use always. So this is the fluffy side of the brush that you see over here, the transition shade over here, but we will also go with the pink shade. हल्का सा करना था, just like a base, ताकि वो transition आए from darker to lighter shade, sort of a purplish, maroonish sort of a shade that you see over here. We'll take this one now. Kajal, I'm going to use the Mamaearth Kajal over here. You just need to apply a small ऐसे line type का आपको लगाना है. अब हम इसको सिर्फ ऐसे smudge कर देंगे थोड़ा. Using this palette from NY Bay with all of these dark shades, I usually use this for the smoky looks and everything. इसका जो black color है वो मैंने लिया है, and again I'm going to apply it in the lower lash line. Again I will take this वाला color, this pink, dark pink वाला color थोड़ा सा, and then I'll blend it out. And for the lower lash line, I'll put in a little bit kajal inner corner. तो आप यहाँ पे अभी highlighter भी लगा सकते हो, या तो फिर कोई एक light shade भी लगा सकते हो. तो Wet n Wild palette में actually आपको shade मिल जाएगा. So this is the shade which is it has slight shimmer. And over here is the mascara from Inside Cosmetics. This is their lash extension mascara. For the blush, we're going to use the lip and cheek tint because it has a lot of like a glossy finish to it. Contouring कर लेते हैं. Contouring का भी ये stick है. अगर आपको proper देखना है मेरा base and contouring and how I do it and everything, then please refer to my other videos. And then I'm going to use this lipstick shade, which is a very beautiful nude color that you see over here, like a very nude color. That was the entire finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Let's get into what I'm wearing right now. Soft baby pink color type का ये है, and then it has all of these motifs and all of this printed work. इसमें कोई embroidery work नहीं है, सारा printed work है. It's a very pretty like a frock style sort of a kurti that you see, and इसके length almost like knees के नीचे आता है. Fine. I use this in the size medium, बट आई थिंक सो इफ आई वेंट फॉर अ साइज डाउन, लाइक अगर मैं स्मॉल साइज लूंगी तो ये और भी ज्यादा अच्छे से फिट होगा मुझे. बाय द वे दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड बीबा एंड यू गाइस नो दैट बीबा का कलेक्शन काफी ज्यादा अच्छा होता है. सो इन दैट केस द मटीरियल इज डेफिनेटली वेरी वेरी गुड, वेरी लाइट वेट. यू वुड लव टू वेयर दिस. There are so many color options in this one. Light yellow is there, light green is there, pink is there, dark pink is there, and I got this one for just rupees 999. You can easily pair it up with some white palazzos or some white pants or white jeans like I am doing. I love to pair my kurtis with jeans, like they just give another different kind of a style. So what I'm going to show you is going to be a ghagra. This is a very very voluminous ghagra, very very good volume, and it is completely printed and it looks so heavy. मतलब देख के काफी heavy लगता है, but इसका material is a very nice lightweight material, a very good printed nice material. And then you have these drawstrings over here with all of these tassels down over here. Indo-western style इसके साथ कर सकते हो. So you can wear like a ghagra, and along with that you can wear a western top, or you can get like a maroon color, you can get like a burgundy sort of color, like dark shades में काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा कलर्स है. This ghagra is available for 839 rupees, and the color options are also all very very pretty. I got this one in the size medium. So you can actually pair it up with a white shirt like this, and white shirt के ऊपर ना you can wear a lot of jewelry. बहुत सारा ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी आप पहन सकते हो विद दिस वाइट शर्ट. सो वाइट शर्ट एकदम प्लेन लुक देगा, पर उसके साथ जो आप ये देख रहे हो उसके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लुक उठ के आएगा उसका कलर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. बट आप चाहो तो आप उसके साथ एक गोल्डन शर्ट, लाइक अ स्लाइट बेज गोल्डन टाइप का शिमर, जो सैटिन टाइप का फिनिश का जो शर्ट होता है ना, वो शर्ट भी आप पहन सकते हो. वो गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ अ वाइट शर्ट फ्रॉम मिजागो. The brand is called Mizago, and you will see the detailing of the buttons, like button detailing जो है वो थोड़ी सी animal print type की detailing है. And lastly, I feel like when in Navratri you can go for a very beautiful like anarkalis, long length anarkalis. You can see the detailing, इतना खूबसूरत detailing है. Again, this is a printed material, nothing embroidered or anything like that. एकदम beautiful printed material है in this golden beige sort of a shade. I freaking love this. And उसके नीचे also you can see there is so much of beautiful work going on. इधर घेर में भी you can see so much of work going on, and the color options in this one are also very very pretty. You have a lighter shade of colors in this one for 829 rupees, which is a very good price for a very heavy kind of anarkali like this. And also I got this one in the size medium, which fits me absolutely true to size.